Hello my dear friends, today we would like to present you new Ukrainian flavor still, which is 8-liter pot with 4-liter column. We call it Big Garden set because this is much bigger column in comparison to the stills which we had before. And we will experiment today with eucalyptus. Essential oil of eucalyptus you can use for aromatherapy in sauna or for other medical purpose, and we will find out how much essential oil we will get out of 1 kilogram of eucalyptus using our new still. So let's begin. First step is to fill up the column with eucalyptus. This still has removable cooler, so we will remove it for comfort. Eucalyptus is quite loose, so you can put and press it a little bit more into the column to have more essential oil within one batch. And of course we close it with the sieve. We can put more. We close it with a sieve. We use hot water to start the process faster. And of course, if you want to make essential oil, you don't have to fill up the whole pot with the water, just 2-3 liters will be enough. Silicone gasket, column, clamp, then we arrange the cooling. We just put the tube inside the fitting and press it. It's ready and we switch on the heater. Then we arrange a place for essential oil separator, and we need vessel to collect hydrosol, and we wait till our first drops of essential oil will be coming from this tube. For cooling we are using water pump, and we find this is very easy solution, and we can supply you adapter for your water pump so you can get it with your still. Now we are about to finish our extraction of eucalyptus essential oil. We will measure how much essential oil we have got, and we did 1 filling and 2 refilling of the column. So totally it became 12 volume liters of eucalyptus, and it was just 1 kg. It took us a little bit longer, as usually it took us 3 hours and a little bit more. I noticed that eucalyptus needs to be distilled not 20 minutes as in case for lavender or sage, but it takes something like 1 hour for one batch to get all the essential oil which is there in the leaves of eucalyptus. So we stop now and let's measure. So we have got approximately 11 milliliters of essential oil, and we have got new experience that some raw material like eucalyptus takes longer time to get all the essential oil which is there in the leaves. And if you have more questions on our flavor still or in general the process of distillation, please let us know and we are happy to answer your questions. Bye bye!